Hello everyone and welcome back. As we step into the new year, many of us are setting resolutions and it's the perfect time to take control of your finances. Today, we are going to tackle an essential skill that everyone should master, creating a simple annual budget and how to implement it. This guide will help you kickstart the year on a financially empowering note and will set you on the path to financial success in the new year. So grab a pen, some papers, and let's get started. Hi folks, I'm your host Jitendra Shrivastav. Since the last 20 years, we have been a team of independent certified financial planners and strategists for your wealth creation based in Dubai, UAE. This channel is a part of our mission to promote basic financial literacy for every individual at no cost. So why is budgeting so crucial? Well, creating a budget allows you to take charge of your money, plan for your financial goals, and ensure you're making the most out of every hard-earned dollar. Section 1. Calculating your income. First thing first, start by listing all your income sources, your salary, rental income, side hustle, any other inflows. Knowing what you have sets the stage for a solid budget. Section 2. Identifying fixed expenses. Now, let's tackle your fixed expenses, those monthly bills that don't change much. Rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, SIP, these are some examples of your essentials. Make a list and assign a specific amount to each of these. Section 3. Break down variable expenses. Variable expenses are a bit trickier because they can fluctuate. Think excess shopping, entertainment, dining out. Look at your past spending habits and estimate a reasonable amount for each category. This will provide a transparent view of how your money is being spent. Section 4. Distinguish needs versus wants. Now it's time for prioritizing. Differentiate between your needs and wants. Ensure that your essential needs like housing, grocery, savings are covered before allocating funds for miscellaneous spendings or wants. Remember, saving and investing money for the future is also an essential need. Section 5. Set financial goals. Now, let's dream a little. What are your financial goals for this year? Saving for a vacation, paying off loans, investing? Allow a portion of your budget to make these goals a reality. They are the roadmap for your financial success. Section 6. Plan an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and that's why allocate a portion of your budget to build an emergency fund. This fund should ideally cover 6 months to 2 years worth of your living expenses. It's your financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Section 7. Dealing with loans. If you have loans, allocate a specific amount in your budget to loan repayment. Focus on high interest loans first and watch how this proactive step can fast track your journey to financial freedom. Section 8. Why saving and investing? Don't forget about your future self. Allocate a portion of your budget to savings and investments every month. Create SIP to contribute to the retirement fund and invest in your financial goals. Let your money work for you. Section 9 and last, live life today. Here comes the fun phase. While budgeting, we begin by prioritizing your needs, allocating funds for savings, loan repayment, and wants. Remember, the key is balance. Saving for the future while enjoying the present. I call it live life today, a reminder not to overlook the present moment on your financial journey. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful step-by-step guide to creating your personal budget for the new year. Remember, your budget is a living document. Regularly review and adjust it to accommodate changes in your life and financial goals. Now, it's time to share with you a smart investment formula. In this section, we discuss a formula to take you to a different level of wealth creation. Today, we are sharing tips to practically implement your annual budget. Start by selecting a tracking method. Allocate funds wisely and automate payments and SIPs. Consistently monitor spending and promptly address overspending. Involve your family for a shared commitment and celebrate achievements. Regularly review the budget and maintain discipline. You can seek expert support and stay flexible to adapt to life changes. If you have any questions or need our unbiased support, feel free to reach out to us using the contact information provided in the description box. Please note that we are available by appointment only. You can send us a DM through email, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, and TikTok. We are here to help. Now, in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Budgeting is not about imposing restrictions. Rather, it is a journey towards financial independence and empowerment. Like a compass guides a ship at sea, a clear vision navigates you towards the shores of your financial goals. If you found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Here are important selected videos for you to watch. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I'll see you in the next video.